So I've already removed my nail polish, and the nail polish remover I use is this one. Even though it's without acetone, it works really well. I've read that it's actually better to use pure acetone as it is more effective, but I don't know where to buy it, so yeah. Moving on, I remove my cuticles when I'm in the shower because the warm water will soften them and make them easier to remove. To show you how I remove my cuticles, let's just pretend that this bowl of warm water is the shower. So after my nails have soaked for about 10 minutes, I just gently scrape off my cuticles with my nail. This might seem a little bit unhygienic, but I've done this for over a year and I've never had any problems with infections or anything like that. I know there are many misconceptions about what the cuticle is, so I'm just going to quickly explain it. The skin around your nail is the proximal nail fold, not the cuticle as many people think. Unlike the proximal nail fold, the cuticle is dead skin, so it's completely safe to remove. However, it's still important to make sure that the cuticle is really soft and that you're gentle when you scrape it off. I'm going to cut my nails all the way down, so I take off some of the length with nail clippers. My nails are very dry, so I always cut them directly after I've showered. This is because the warm water will also make the actual nails softer, preventing them from chipping when they're cut. After I've cut all of my nails, I pat them dry and then apply some cuticle and nail oil. I let the oil sit for a few minutes and then I massage it in. Then I use a crystal file and file straight across to shape my nail square. I always file in one direction when I use the crystal file. When I've shaped all of my nails, I use this super fine file to smoothen out the free edge. This file is so fine it's almost completely smooth, so it's not that important to file in one direction. I also like to file my nails like this to make the free edge nice and smooth. Then I take the same file and round the corners. When I'm all done filing my nails and smoothing out everything that is not smooth, I will massage in cuticle oils and nail oils and everything like that until I paint my nails again. And also I apply cuticle oil after I've washed my hands too. I try to apply as often as I can because it's really important to add moisture to the nail, especially after soaking your nails in water, as this will strip the nail from all its natural oils. Here's just an overview of the products I use. I've been using the Simply Pure nail oil for a while now and I really like it. I've noticed that I haven't had any hangnails and my nails have gotten a little bit more flexible. I recently got this bottle of jojoba oil and it is great for both nails and cuticles. It is absorbed very fast and it's not greasy at all. Lastly, I have these two hand creams that I use before I go to bed. So this is pretty much all I do to take care of my nails and cuticles. I hope you enjoyed watching and I'll see you in my next video.